Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSG Tech with another short video, and in today's video I'm going to explain how you can clear up the RAM on your iPhone 10, 10R, 10s, 10s Max, 11, 11 Pro Max and 11 Pro. As you remember that the process was quite simple and easy on the previous devices, where you have to hold the power button just like we did on this device. As you can see on the screen, this is an iPhone 6s, and in order to clear the RAM and clear any memory issues, we have to keep holding the power button until you see the slide to power off, and then we have to keep holding the home button till we are back to the main screen. This will basically clear all the RAM, and if you face any issues, for example a slowdown or app crash or anything similar, then this will definitely clear your problem. But the process is totally different on the newer devices. Go into your settings and then look for accessibility, and from accessibility you have to go into the touch section. On touch section, as you can see guys, we have assistive touch, the first option on the top, and you have to click and enable this option, and then your assistive touch button will be displayed on your screen. So the first part is done, and the second part is you have to press volume up, volume down, and then hold the power button. As soon as you see slide to power off, you can click on the assistive touch and keep holding the home button, and then it will take you to the screen where you have to enter your password. So once you hit the password, your phone memory is clear. It's that simple guys. As you can see, if we go back into the app store, it will clear all the memory, and hopefully it will resolve your problem. If you have any issues while downloading or using app, or if you have issues with the memory, then this will clear your problem, and you'll be fine with that. Just to repeat again guys, that volume up, volume down, and then keep holding the power button, and as soon as you see slide to power off, then click on the assistive touch button and then keep holding your home button, and then enter your device password, and this will clear the memory. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If this video gives you any kind of benefit, then please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you get all the notifications directly to your inbox. Stay tuned to my channel, and I'll bring more videos. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.